thank you very much for tuning in. If you like old vintage trains, please subscribe. We nearly have 1,000 subscribers, so thank you very much for your dedication. Today we're going to talk a little bit about this beautiful S-scale Lima Berkshire nickel plate. The kit for this was made available by Claude out of St. Louis, who started in 1963 with his National Association of S-Gaugers, and then split off his own company, the S-Scale Locomotive Supply, which produced parts, castings, and full kits for engines. Here's the ad for the nickel plate Berk, or it could be had in other variations. A complete kit would cost you $116. And many hours and skill, and probably some frustration. Maybe a year or two later, you could have this beautiful engine in your possession. I was very fortunate to be able to purchase it, as you see running. Just lovely. Sheet brass, lots of lost wax castings here. Nice tender, complete with a drive in the center there for running your coal in, so you don't have to wear out your firemen. They did make a number of other engines. They made a consolidated and other conversion parts. So the parts they offered you could build. There's basically your chassis there and some of the small parts, and you can be as creative as you want depending on your talent. So again, we'll fire this up again. Very smooth runner. Open frame motor. This probably dates to the mid-60s, maybe later 60s. So thank you again for tuning in. If you like what you see, please subscribe. I'll try to do another train, and I do promise to do a real S-gauge loop so we don't just have to go back and forth here in the near future, okay? Thank you again for tolerating.